Next.
Bijou.
Bijou. It sounds like a sound effect. Bijou. Does she have a laser? Like a beam?
Don't know.
Bijou. Does that work pretty well?
It does.
People are so fast at drawing. Oh my gosh.
I know. It's crazy. We're gonna call it
it's
that
from Matilda.
every single time.
Wait,
Every single time I say her name, I'm gonna be like,
Bijou.
that's how she should introduce herself.